In America, they say early bird gets the worm. In Russia, we say кто рано встает, тому Бог дает. Whoever wakes up early, he will receive from God. So I always respect morning hustle people who wake up in the morning bright and early and ready to do the business. This is our first interview/review of the day at IRE. We tried to set up a few more, but people just would not show up at their booth to do it. So I appreciate everybody who are willing to wake up early with me to do business. We're at Mosaic booth. Let's start with your introduction. Tell me the story. What are you guys all about and how you connected with the company?
Sure. Thanks, Dimitri. So a little background about Mosaic Finance. We're a leading solar lender that just came into the home improvement space a year and a half ago. And what we saw.
How long have you been in the solar business, like in solar, servicing solar industry?
So we've been around for 10 years. We've been servicing solar customers exclusively.
For 10 years?
For 10 years, correct. Wow. And what we found is that solar installers were often needing to do a roof replacement before they installed their solar system on the house. And just a light bulb clicked and we said, we need to get into this space as well so we can service both clients.
Awesome.
So we're excited. This is our second year here at IRE. We're a year and a half into home improvement and we're just lighting the world on fire.
Awesome. Walk us through how are you different? Is it app or is it for the contractors? Contractors offer it or homeowners apply directly with you? How does it work? Is it similar to like service finance or it's a different product?
Very similar to service finance in the fact that the sales reps are going to position our app in the home and the funding is going to go directly to the contractor. So we think that that's important. At the end of the day, Dimitri, there's really three people that are involved in this transaction. You're going to have your homeowner, your in-home sales rep, and your business owner. And we want to produce a product that speaks to all three clients. To the homeowner, we can show them pre-qualified offers on a soft credit check. So there's no risk for your homeowner to run an application through Mosaic. That's why we're a great first position lender.
Who is the lender? Whose money is there?
This is Mosaic. So we fund over $1 billion a year. We have so much money, Dimitri, that we built a business around giving it away. So we want to share that with those in-home sales reps by providing an experience where they get the maximum amount of approval at the kitchen table. So if you know a customer's qualified for an amount above and beyond the roof, you have the ability to cross-sell into maybe gutters, windows, insulation, or move up that roofing system from maybe a baseline 3-tab to an architectural shingle.
Looks like it eats a lot of phone battery in 45, 44, and 43% for each slide.
You know, that's
consuming a lot of battery of iPhone.
You know, that's I don't know whose phone that was, but they definitely need to upgrade it, don't they? That's a good call out, man.
And looks like their Verizon also goes up and down. Not really good service there.
That's
it's
great.
Like they're driving or something.
Yeah.
So whose money it is? Like who's how many lenders do you have? Is it just one?
So I think the question that you're asking is
who's behind it?
We are behind it. This is Mosaic money. Okay. So we are much like how Service Finance or Green Sky operates with the money. That's how we operate. Some people get confused.
But it's not. Some other vendors they're like a hub. They act
Correct.
like a Uber and they just connect you. Are you doing
Correct.
the same thing?
No, we are the lender, Dimitri.
Okay.
So those that are a hub, we call a broker model, where you fill out an application, then it's going to go out to multiple banks. We don't do that. This is our money. This is our underwriting. So when your customers pre-qualify in our app, that's guaranteed money.
Do you have a number? How many deals you funded last year? Like we're talking about billions, or
we've funded over $3 billion in loans since inception. We put over, I believe it's over 10,000 solar roofs on.
Wow.
So, yes.
3 billion.
Correct.
Okay. What's the best rate homeowner can get? Like,
so that's
I see you have zero, before 18 months. Let's talk about rates.
That's a great question because we understand that the business owners only want to show the products that are acceptable to them. And our app allows you to do that. We have promotional products, which are 0% offers to the consumer in 6, 12, and 18-month periods. But we also have low interest rate loans starting at 5.99, going up to 11.99. It's what the business owner wants to show.
So it's not up to the homeowner.
Correct.
Why business owner makes the decision what to show?
Because there's different costs associated with the loan products.
Oh, so you charge contractor to use the program.
Correct. So
how much does it cost to the contractor?
It goes anywhere from 0 up to a promotion loan could be somewhere around 10%.
Okay.
So
what's the promotion loan?
A promotion loan is the 0% offer for either a 6, a 12, or an 18-month period. Those are great for those that are wanting to finance like a deductible or maybe a minor upsell, those small windows of time. It's a great way to capture that opportunity where the deal was going to be lost if we didn't have that available. Our longer term loans are in 5, 7, 10, and 12-year periods. We find that the lower interest rate longer term loans are more in a retail type environment or in those situations where homeowners want to keep the insurance proceeds to spend somewhere else.
But how much does it cost contractor per year? Is it monthly? Is it yearly setup
So
fee?
this is a pay per performance type. So for every loan, there's a different cost. We do have loans that start at no cost, and we have loans that go up to like 10%. We let the contractor pick which loans they want to show and offer their customers. We understand this is a cost of doing business. So if they want to build in a little bit of cost to offer a lower interest rate to their consumer and have that competitive edge in the marketplace, we allow for that.
What's your approval rate?
It's a great question. We're at over 70% approvals. Yep.
What's the minimum credit score you have to do to get a loan through Mosaic as a homeowner?
So mid 600s, we're a prime lender. So the same loan products that are being picked up by our competitors, similar like Green Sky and Service, we're in that same category.
Okay. Did you go to CrossFit this morning?
I did not.
I knew it.
I had to take a rest day, Dimitri.
I
can't do 3 times.
Did you do yesterday?
I did.
Where did you go?
It's a struggle. The hotel gym.
Oh,
so
not a CrossFit gym?
Yeah.
Awesome. What does this mean, equal housing lender? Is it like just association?
Great. So this is a web bank. It's a member of the FDIC. This is who we funnel our loan programs through. So, yeah.
Anything else you want to share? Or like
I would. I'd like to share, at Mosaic, we talked about how the 3 tiers, the 3 pillars of the homeowner and how the soft check is important. We talked about the sales rep in home, and our easy to use, the most intuitive app on the market is only putting the loan programs that they're allowed to see. Makes it very easy for the in-home sales reps. But the business owners themselves, they enjoy Mosaic because automatically baked in, we have a 30/70 disbursement. We know that the accounts receivables in the roofing industry is out of control. You're waiting on depreciation releases, check endorsements, all sorts of stuff going on. When you finance with Mosaic, we're going to give you 30% right there at contract signing.
Okay.
So if you have labor, material, sales rep commissions, whatever need you have to spend that money prior to the build, we allow you to do that. And then 70% is ACH directly into the contractor's bank account on the day of install.
Well, you guys definitely need to work on energy saving for the phones, because this is a big problem. 1% of battery per slide is definitely no go. I would not be a user. Look at this. 45%, 237, 238, 44%. One more slide, 243, 43%. By the time you sign the deal, phone is dead. It's not acceptable.
What's so great is once this deal's done, we only have it down to 40%. It's that fast. So we're talking about a 3-minute experience here. It isn't it funny how Mosaic, a company that was founded on energy savings and creating clean energy for all, is sucking the battery life out? So,
exactly. Thank you, sir. I appreciate it.
Man. Thank you.
Maybe I'll see you tomorrow at the gym.
Yeah, where are you going, man?
Well, actually, I'll fly in the morning like 9, but we can fly in the gym at 5 in the morning.
That'd be great. I'd like to do it, man.
All right, man.